Right, boys and girls, welcome back to another motor vlog. We are heading to RMC UK. Gotta go see Ryan, get the 10 serviced, because the last time I had a stamp in his book was at 7k, but I have receipts and paperwork for like a service for every like 1500 miles. Like, it is, I mean, the oil itself we'll see, because I'll try and record when I'm there, see if Ryan wants me to, if he doesn't mind. But you'll see how clean the oil is. It's still clean now. It's just I thought, you know what, I might as well keep up with it, get that book stamped, so if I do ever come to sell it, it's got a shit ton of history with it. But it's already had all the spark plugs done, air filter, it was remapped, like that's all on the receipt, so it's not stamped, but it's had it done with proof. So yeah, it's a bit cold today at the moment. It's meant to pick up to about 16 degrees in a couple of hours and sunny, but right now it's maybe like 5, 6. Yeah, we're just heading over there now to Ivor, that's where he's located. I've been there, not last week, the week before, dropping off 𝗦𝗦ici's bike. Oh, let's set an image up on the screen now. Nice little drive from London. Getting a bit confident now, or more confident with the old wheelies. When I say wheelies, powers. I'm not doing any clutch ups just yet. I need a nice dry day, sunny, nice strip. I ain't looping on the road. A little power wheelie in there because it's safe enough to let go of the throttle and it'll engage the engine braking. Right boys, we are arriving. This isn't the way I came in last time though, so I'm hoping you can still get through this way. Not sure if there's a gate or something. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, because I came from the other side last time, like the canal side. Just around here somewhere. Down here on the right, I believe. No, wait, where that black car is. Oh, might have to give him a call to open up the gate. Ooh, bear with me, boys. Alright boys, it's going to be 5 minutes, so we're going to park just over here, out of the way, so we don't cause any distress. A bit of noisy little bastards. Here's it, because his car's here. He might just be getting changed, ready for the work shift. So I shall cut, boys, when we're inside with Ryan. I need to repaint these. I'm looking a bit rusted, boys. I'll catch you in a second. Right boys, we are all done now at RMC. Lovely little service, as you would have seen. And he even gave me the spare leftover oil as well, because we're using the 𝗦𝗽cie 7100. 10W, was it 10W40? Something like that. I'm sure I'll leave it below. But we are now heading back to my area. Might go for a quick blitz, I'm not sure yet. I've left my bloody earplugs out though, boys. I was meant to put them back in, but I didn't. Currently sitting on them. Boys, he is really intricate as well. Proper goes over your bike. It's not like you just pop in, you get your oil and oil filter changed. He does go over the bike. He checked all the chain, cleaned it all, slightly adjusted it as well, just because there was a bit too much slack, I think. Really nice guy as well. Really nice, actually. So yeah, can't fault him, boys. Cannot fault him. He was a main dealer mechanic for like 10 years, so he knows these bikes like the back of his hand. He's told me about my quick shifter as well. It's slightly like out of line, not out of line, but it's meant to be at 90 degrees to make it like as smooth as possible. It's a little bit over, so I may go change that next time I work on the bike. But yeah, definitely going to be going back to him from now on for my little annual servicing. They're doing their mod 2. I think this is the Uxbridge test centre. Oh shit, I just realised I'm flipped, boys. I flipped when I was in the garage because I was recording and I forgot to unflip. Oi, oi, oi! Good shit, mate. What the? Whose horse is that?
Whose horse is that?
What the hell, boys? What the actual helly? Oh, I should have took a picture when I was outside RMC, boys. What the fuck? Taking the piss. Boys, I don't know what was going on with my bike this morning, but when I was riding, it felt like even more twitchy than normal. Like it kept like, I don't know how to explain it. It might have been the chain, because now it feels a little bit nicer. Yeah, like before, like even just riding normally, it was really twitchy. So I guess now, because the chain's been adjusted accordingly, might step out on, might go home, sort out some bits for the car, and then go back out on the bike later with the boys if it's sunny. Come on, I want to race the Honda. Fucking hell, look at this pothole, boys. It's like I'm riding through some chicanes. And what's this donut doing?
So you can take what you want, don't break my heart if you want. Still I got nothing to lose.